This is where we hang our clips. Welcome to another episode of Mondays with Milt. Now it's early morning. We're out here at the powder coat line, and I'm with Jerry Smith. He oversees the powder coat line. What can you tell us a little bit about what we're doing today, Jerry?
Okay, what we do once a year, usually in December, we'll go in and we'll drain the tank. We'll have a tanker come in, they'll look through our tanks, they'll pull all the solution out of the tank. We have guys inside the tank, they're getting all the sludge out, they're going to pressure wash the tank, and then once we get all that accomplished, we'll close the valves, fill the tank back up. When we finish, it'll look like we did when we bought it.
Okay, and that's been about 10 years ago.
Yes.
We're going to take another little trip inside and see the inside portion of the oven and the wash area. All right, stay tuned. Jerry, go ahead if you want to tell a little bit about what we're doing.
Now, what you see here, we have the risers out. We take those out so we can get to everything. We have the floor out so we can get to the heater tube. And this heater tube, once we get this stage 1 clean, pressure wash and clean, then the guys in stage 1 will move to stage 2. We'll get some air moving through here, we'll get these heater tubes dry, and we'll mechanically remove any scale that's on these heater tubes. Why? Because if the scale builds up, those heater tubes will crack. And another thing is, if scale builds up, you have it's less efficient. One of the most crucial parts of this whole operation is right up here in this corner. Right here is the hottest part of the heater tube. You can see where the pipe comes down. We can actually blow water right around that part of the heater tube so it doesn't get too hot and crack.
Everything to get dried off, but I'm going to let Jerry give us a little more information on it.
Okay, this is what we call a combo oven. We call it a combo oven because it dries our product, but it also cures our product after it's powder coated. What we're standing on, what Milt and I are standing on now, is actually the dry part of the oven. The parts come through the washer, comes in here at 10 feet a minute and stay in this section for about 7 minutes at 350 degrees, and it dries the product. We chose this Midwest system because it delivers the air. The parts travel right over these ductwork you see right here, and it delivers the air right on the part. It's very efficient. So what will happen is we'll dry the part, and exit the oven, and go make a couple turns, and then enter the oven after it's powder coated. It has 3 internal turns, and on the pure side of the oven, it stays on that part at 10 feet a minute for 22 minutes at 350 degrees, and when it exits the oven, it's cured. So we are cleaning the oven right now. We do this once a year, just like we do the washer. We'll scrape the ductwork, sweep it out, clean it up, and we'll be good for another year.
All right, so we'll see you next week on another episode of Mondays with Milt. Thanks, Jerry.
Yes, sir.
All right.